and welcome to Not That Deep, where we're not that deep, but we also realize it's not that deep. So today I'm changing my sponge bar. I got this knitting machine a couple of months ago and have slowly but surely been learning how to use it. One of the first pieces of advice I was given was to change the sponge bar so as not to damage the machine. So today, after watching many videos and finally ordering a replacement bar online, I'm gonna give it a go. As you can see, there's really not much sponge left, and quite frankly, I think this was already a long time overdue. This is like a close-up of just how much sponge was left, and this is only on the ends, but the rest of the machine, or the rest of the sponge bar that's sort of in the middle of the machine, you can just see how flat that's gone. And when you open it up, it's just turned into a bit of a mess, really. So time to get this cleaned out. So this is the first draft that I did like last week before I got my new sponge bar in. And this is what it looks like. It is still a draft. I need to get the seams done a little bit better, and I need to resize the thumb. Husband was laughing at that. But as a first go, I don't think it's too bad. So I'm gonna be modeling the new ones that I do off of this, hoping that there's enough yarn to make a new pair, and let's see how we go.